Hey folks, home today doing some chores around the house. First thing is, got a leaky faucet here. It's a frost-free faucet. It turns off inside the house. And as you can see, it is just dripping like a sieve. So I'm gonna go try to get that repaired today. Get with some new washers in there. So I'm gonna get that, pull that apart, put some new washers on it, see if that doesn't do the trick. I hope so. Anyway, let's get this job going. First thing I gotta do is turn the water main off. Then we'll take that apart. Hang with me. All right, I got the water turned off, so let's finish draining. Gonna drain the whole house here probably. And it's been dripping, kind of cold. There's an icicle from last night. Got my wrench here, one size fits all. I'm gonna take that bad boy apart. Just one nut there, loosen that. Pull the whole skin out. Yeah, it looks like maybe this washer here is bad. So let's go replace some of the parts here. See what we can do. Head to the shop. All right. Yeah, I think that's what I want to replace, that part right there. So I got this repair kit, got it off of Amazon for this faucet. But, I think I only needed the one part in there. We'll see. Let's take that off and we'll put the whole thing back together and see what happens here. Oh, I don't want to lose that. I don't want to lose that. Gasket there. I do got another one of these. Let's put that on too. Just see if we can. Okay, so replace that rubber washer there, replace this gasket here. I don't see much else to replace here. Let's put it back in and turn the water off. See if that, turn the water back on. See if that doesn't solve my problem there. All right, let's turn the water back on and see if that doesn't do the trick. Well, I think I got it. Wasn't quite as easy as I thought it was gonna be. Ended up improvising a little bit with some liquid gasket repair here. I don't know, looks like the inside here might be damaged a little bit. Might have to replace the whole thing here sometime, but I put this gasket sealer around here, screwed it all back in there. It's not leaking, so I'm happy for now. Winter time, I don't need to be using this faucet anyhow. Anyway, that's it for the day on the do-it-yourself handyman tips, I guess. I don't know. See if it works. Later.